Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. We are on the 24th day of July 2020. So, today in this video class, we are going to learn pronouns. And do you know, in your language structure book, which chapter is pronoun? It is the 5th chapter and page number 30. First of all, let us learn the definition of a pronoun. A pronoun is a noun in disguise. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Let us learn with an example. Rabindra has not come to school today. He is not well. In this sentence, which is the noun, children? Rabindra, because it names a person. And which is the pronoun used? He. Now, did you notice one thing? A pronoun is used instead of a noun. According to the definition, the second sentence, when you have to again mention the same noun, what do we use instead of the noun? We use a pronoun. Now, are you able to read the pronoun which is used instead of the noun? Mrs. Griffith. If you have to replace Mrs. Griffith, you use the pronoun she. If you have to replace the noun dad, you use the pronoun he. If you have to replace the noun children, what must you use? They. Because children is a plural noun. Whereas, if your noun is a masculine gender and if it is a singular, then you must use he, his, him. Okay? So always remember this point. Now coming to the third point. Despite the gender, may it be feminine or masculine, if the noun is plural, then you must use the pronouns like they, their, we, us. If you have to refer to yourself, what is the pronoun that you must use? You must use I, me, or even mine. You may think, like, how many pronouns could I remember? Or you may even think, or you may even want to know, like, where to use which pronoun and how it is categorized. Now, here comes the answer for all those questions that you have in your mind. Kinds of pronouns. By learning the kinds of pronouns, you may be able to identify as which noun should be used in which circumstance and in which place. Now take a note of these kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun, reflexive and emphatic pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. So in grade 4 you are going to learn these 6 kinds of pronouns. And in today's class, let us see the personal pronoun and the reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Coming to personal pronouns. Her, he, me. Let us see in detail. Personal pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun that refers to a person or thing. Let us see the example. Marcy went to the market and she bought bread. Now in this sentence, the pronoun she is used to refer the person Marcy. Here are a few personal pronouns. Pause the video, take a look at it and try to read these personal pronouns. Let us move to the next pronoun, which is reflexive pronoun. And which object shows our reflection? A mirror, right? Now you can relate well this word reflexive with the help of the mirror. As a mirror shows a reflection, reflexive pronouns show back to the pronoun. Now for example, her, herself. Or in another words, we can define reflexive pronouns as this. Let me read it for you. Reflexive pronouns are used to turn the action done by the subject of a sentence back to the subject. Now see the example. I was singing to myself. Now see, the reflexive pronoun is beautifully reflecting the pronoun I. Here are few more examples of reflexive pronoun. Kindly pause the video and read it. Now look at this slide carefully. Why is reflexive pronoun and the emphatic pronoun is together? Did you get this doubt? Okay, let me clear it. The pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, itself, themselves, or also called as emphatic pronouns when they are used for the purpose of emphasis, that is, to stress. See the examples. I had to do it myself. Now see here, where is the emphasis? Where there is a stress? When I say, I had to do it myself. See the second example. She has to finish it herself. Now where the emphasis lies? It lies in the pronoun herself. Now, as you know, myself, herself are the reflexive pronouns. So, emphatic pronouns and reflexive pronouns are the same. Okay, so with this you have completed personal pronouns, emphatic pronouns and reflexive pronoun. That's all for today. Thank you.